If you've been looking for light, fluffy pancakes and crispy golden waffles without a banana in sight, then this is the recipe for you. These are completely plant-based and oil-free and made with really simple ingredients that you probably already have to hand. These are a favorite in our family, and I make these pretty much every week. I'm sure once you and your family have tried them, they'll become a favorite for you too, because they're nutritious, they're gluten-free, and easy and quick to get on the table. I'll be sharing my top tips throughout and at the end. As usual, the full recipe's in the description below. Let's get started. The ingredients for the sauce are blueberries, fresh or frozen, corn flour, maple syrup, and a little water. Before starting the batter, make the blueberry sauce. In a pan, add a bag or about 350 grams of frozen blueberries, 1 or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, same amount of sugar or agave or your preferred sweetener also works fine, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Bring it to a boil, stir it thoroughly, and then simmer it on low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. If, like me and my family, you prefer your blueberry sauce to be a little thicker, then mix together a teaspoon of corn flour with about 2 tablespoons of water, stir it, add it to the pan, give it a thorough mix, and simmer for about another minute. Top tip, this sauce keeps well for a week or so in the fridge and it freezes perfectly. Just leave enough space in the jar so that it doesn't crack. Then just reheat it slowly in the microwave when you need it, stirring every 30 seconds to a minute until it's nice and warm. Step 2, blending the pancake and waffle batter. While your sauce cooks, heat your pan or your waffle iron and make the batter. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the batter. It's the same whether you're making pancakes or waffles. I'll walk you through how to make it and use it for both. Just oats, plant-based milk, baking powder, and a touch of maple syrup. To your blender, add 2 cups of whole rolled oats, 1 rounded tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup or your sweetener of choice, along with 1 cup of plant-based milk. I generally use soy milk without oil or nasty additives. I normally then blend on the smoothie setting, which is about 40 seconds on high speed. Top tip, if you're using pre-ground oat flour instead of whole oats, just reduce to 1.5 cups for the right consistency. Step 3, cook the pancakes. Pour the batter directly from the blender onto a preheated non-stick pan or a crepe maker. Once the top looks almost dry, flip it over and cook it for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then just stack and repeat. Top tip for you, the batter thickens as it sits, so before pouring the next batch, blend it for just a few seconds on very low speed with about a tablespoon of extra soy milk to keep it smooth. If you're making waffles with this, it's exactly the same batter. Just pour it into a preheated non-stick waffle iron. Cook for at least 5 minutes. They do need that extra time to crisp up. The cooked waffles cool down quickly, so eat them fast for best crispiness. These waffles are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and reheat beautifully. Tips and toppings. Serve warm with blueberry sauce, chia jam, maple syrup, or fresh fruit like chopped apples or bananas, if you actually like bananas as a topping, that is. For a decadent dessert, top waffles with a scoop of homemade ice cream from the Ninja Creamy Deluxe. Top tip, the pancakes, waffles, and blueberry sauce freeze really well. For the pancakes and waffles, just store them in Ziploc bags and reheat in the toaster or a pan for quick breakfasts or snacks. And that's it. Fluffy, tasty pancakes with crispy waffles and a gorgeous blueberry sauce. No bananas in the batter, no faff, and totally oil-free. Don't forget to check out my other videos for delicious, easy, tasty vegan recipes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.